So, ironically enough, I actually just upgraded my whole entire setup like literally 2 weeks ago. Right after Christmas, I went ahead and got I went for Intel 12900K, which I had to leave Team Intel because, listen, Intel I love, but at the same time, the 13900K and the 14900K, it's just, oh man. They're too unstable. It's just I don't like it. I don't like it. So I went team in AMD and actually went ahead and got the 9950 X3D, which I use my rig for gaming, but I also use it for productivity. So yes, if I was just doing gaming, I would have went with someone like the AMD 9800 X3D, which is the best CPU for gaming. But I needed productivity too, so I wanted those extra cores. So I got the 9950 X3D. But I also wanted to upgrade my graphics card. So I got the 5070 Ti. And again, I got it for MSRP at $800, which is crazy to say that now because, of course, the price tag of that has absolutely plummeted. I also have 64 gigabytes of RAM, which at this point now is like $800. When I bought it, it was like $200 or $300, I think. So again, just price tags of everything is going crazy because the whole AI boom, which that's a story above itself. I understand AI is, cool, important in certain situations and fun, but it really is ruining the whole entire ecosystem of PC gaming and PC building. So I think eventually the whole situation will pop, and I think prices will come back down. But it is that situation where we're now seeing companies really starting to, go toward that direction. For example, Crucial, we know, is no longer making RAM for the consumer. Now they're just making it for these AI tech companies like Google. So it's frustrating. It really is. So the point of this video, though, is they are discontinuing a couple GPUs to quote-unquote meet demand for the consumers, which is all bull, and it's not true at all. They're doing it because they want to go ahead and allocate those resources so that they can make more stuff for the AI, so that they can, obviously, make some more money at the end of the day. And they're realizing that it's a lot more money to allocate resources toward AI GPUs rather than go ahead and make 5070 Ti's, which simply just aren't worth it anymore for, these companies. So Nvidia is a good example of that. They are discontinuing the 5060 base model. They're going to keep the 5060 Ti. They are discontinuing the 5060 Ti 16GB model. And they are discontinuing the 5070 Ti 16GB model. So there's no update on the 12GB model of the 5070. My assumption is that probably will end up being discontinued as well. And if you're thinking, well, what if they come out with super variants? Like there's rumors that they might come out with super variants of the 5070 series and 5080 and 5090. They're not going to do that. There's no way they're going to do that. Not until somehow, some way, this AI bubble bursts. So at this moment in time, we're not going to see anything like that. We're just going to kind of see status quo, which is them slowly taking down these consumer-based GPUs until I feel like this AI bubble just pops, which is annoying. It is annoying. It's frustrating. I'm very thankful that I just bought a 5070 Ti MSRP because now MSRP is impossible to find for the 5070 Ti and many other GPUs as well. We've already seen that Nvidia is cutting back 40% of their production in 2026. We have seen board partners come out and say that they're simply not able to get any type of inventory from Nvidia, and it ends up becoming this cluster fluff of nobody can get any type of inventory. Prices are going higher and higher and higher, and it's just ruining it for everybody. But hopefully we see some type of pop soon because man, is this just frustrating to deal with. But again, it is what it is. At the end of the day, this is kind of just the reality. I bought 128 gigabytes of RAM. 6 months ago, and I ended up getting rid of it because I couldn't run it on my Intel 12900K with that motherboard. For some reason, it was too unstable, which is kind of funny too, because usually AMD is known for RAM being unstable and not able to run as well. But anyway, $600 6 months ago, right? Nowadays, 128 gigabytes of RAM, $1,500. Pretty much the price tag of a brand new GPU. Which, yeah, I don't know, man. I just, like I said before, I'm just frustrated with this whole AI crap, because at the end of the day, man, like, I get it. You know, these companies want to make money, right? And it makes sense, right? But I still see it like scalpers. That's how I look at AI. I look at it like scalpers, where someone sees that AI is somewhat profitable, or I guess it is profitable, but people see that AI is profitable, and then out every single person possible, these companies want to take advantage of it and make the most money and kind of like milk the cow until it has nothing left. And that's what we're going to see. And this is kind of just how it is, you know? Whenever there's something that is any ability profitable, companies milk it until there's nothing left, and then they kind of move on from there. So, it is what it is. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.